Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understand.
Hi beautifuls, this is Naturally Chic, also known as Tiffany, where we believe that chic is simply how you can strut classy but do it naturally. Today we're showing you how we curl this gorgeous wig. I reviewed this wig a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, but today is the first time that I am curling her up. So I did a quick video and I wanted to bring you all along with me. So hang on in there in this FaceTime call and let me know what you all think at the end of the video. Always like, comment, subscribe, and share. And to make sure that you're subscribed, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. I am working on that consistency muscle this year, so we're going to see what we do. But also make sure you're following me under all social platforms under Naturally Chic. And until the next video, you all take care and be blessed. Hang on in so we can see how we curl this hair up. When I tell you this wig right here, go back and look at it. It curls amazing. Do you all see this? Curls amazing. Not only does it curl amazing, but y'all saw when I took it out the package, I didn't have to do anything. And I have been wearing this wig non-stop, and this is the first time I'm curling her. So you already know she holds a good curl. You know, some wigs you can, and you gotta curl it right. I didn't curl her right away because I wanted to see the curl. And she held. And this has been, what, 3 weeks later? I'm just now curling her. Just now curling her. And she baby curls up. When you can grab and get an affordable wig and she ain't breaking the bank. She is soft. She is full. And not only that, she curls. And you didn't have to tweak, teak, and do all the other things, cut her up. I mean, I framed it around my face, but other than that, oh, dang it. And I'm doing chunky curls. I did the smaller ones around my face, but I'm doing chunky curls because this wig is so thick. You'll be curling for days. She is thick. And I think that's why the curls last so long, because she's so thick. Oh, honey, I love a thick wig. And then I had to pay $500 and $600. And the good thing about it is this is a free one, so you can also part her different ways, but I like the middle. And she's glueless. Yes, she is. This is her. And she's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I do that sometimes, or flip back and forth when I want to get the layers out, or the comb it out without putting the comb through it. This is her. So she is so worth it, and she will be linked down below just in case you're thinking about getting her. Also, I'll link the video to show how I put her on, because she is one of those that you definitely take out the bag and go, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Y'all let me know what y'all think.
I just enjoy